choose your favorite one. Police car. Where do you want to patrol today? Got it! Officer Kiki is on the move. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, brown pants, and a blue scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome! Thank you! You're welcome! The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. Whoa, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Wowo's dad! You're awesome! Oh no! My backpack was stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. go! Ah, you found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished! No! Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move! Don't worry, we're going to save her now! Oh, I can't walk! Come and save me! Drag Kiki to move the box and save Bunny! Something is behind the box, and we can't push it any further. Thank you for saving me. Don't mention it. You can always come to Officer Kiki if you need help. Which path do you want to take? Little Panda's town is successfully protected.